Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we're looking at your 2018 Toyota Highlander Hybrid XLE. It's a 4-door, 7-passenger all-wheel drive SUV in a sleek and sophisticated Blizzard Pearl color. Under the hood you'll find a 3.5-liter V6 cylinder engine with built-in hybrid synergy drive technology. Included in your XLE package is your smart key system with your power liftgate and your integrated navigation system for the ultimate convenience.
Helping you into your Highlander is your handy smart key system. It has the lock, the unlock, as well as your power liftgate and your panic button. To unlock your driver's side, simply press once. To unlock all 4 doors, press twice. As you can see, you have that stylish turn signal indicator on your side mirror there with your hybrid synergy drive badging. What we're going to do is we're going to lock up those doors, put the keys in my pocket, and by simply running your hand across the handle, it will unlock for you so you don't have to fish for your keys anymore. Right away, you're greeted by a sophisticated interior. On the side here, you see you have your illuminated entry. You also do have that metallic trim complemented by that brown leather trim. You have your power windows, your power locks, and your power adjustable side mirrors. On the side here, you have your fully automatic high beams with your power liftgate and heated mirrors. Below you can see you have a full set of all-weather floor mats, and both your driver and passenger seat are power adjustable, so everyone is riding in the ultimate comfort. And the real showstopper of your Highlander are the leather interiors with that contrasting brown stitching just to tie all of that class together. And they're extremely comfortable. Of course, letting in all that light as your power tilt and slide moonroof. Definitely going to be nice to have open during those long summer drives. But why don't we hop on inside and start it up. Helping you start up your Highlander, simply put your foot on your brake there, your smart key system, and your push start button. That dashboard's going to light up with that cool welcome screen and then your ambient lighting. Taking a look at your dashboard, you have your multi-information display, which is open to your Toyota Safety Sense features like your lane departure alert, your pre-collision system, as well as your Star Safety System features like your blind spot monitor and your rear cross traffic alert. And what you can do is you can control that menu with your steering wheel mounted controls, setting things like the sensitivity of those sensors and turning on and off those alerts. You also do have your volume control, your mode changers, and your voice command, as well as your hands-free calling. On this side, you do have your dynamic radar cruise control as part of your Toyota Safety Sense as well, and your cruise control can be set from below. You have a nice, clean, leather-wrapped steering wheel. And taking a look at your LCD screen, it's a nice large format, so it's easy to read. Opening up your applications, you have your navigation system, very user-friendly system, so definitely come on in and punch in your home address to see how it works for you. Opening up your applications again, a nice feature that comes with Highlanders are your driver easy speak. It allows you to speak at a normal speaking level and be heard by your passengers in the back, so no more having to yell or strain your voice anymore. Opening up your audio system, you have your AM/FM radio as well as your Sirius XM radio. You have your CD player on top with your USB auxiliary and Bluetooth audio, so you can bring your music wherever you go. Now, shifting into reverse, you can see that your backup camera shows up on that screen. It's a nice, clear image and offers just the right amount of safety and comfort. Speaking of comfort, check out your tri-zone climate control. So you have that digital monitor where you can set a different temperature for your driver, your passenger, and your rear passengers. You can choose to sync them all together. You also do have your electronic automatic climate control and that air conditioning. Your rear passengers have a climate control panel on the back of your center console, so they can ensure that they are nice and comfortable too. Your Highlander comes with an open shelving unit that stretches all the way across your dashboard, and this piece removes so that you can run all of your wires below for your charging, your USB chargers, your 12-volt DC charger, and your USB auxiliary input. Below here you can see that you have your traction control. You also do have your eco and EV modes, drive modes as part of your hybrid. You have a leather wrapped shift knob with that sport drive mode. You also do have your heated seats for both your driver's and your passenger side, which is in an easily accessible area. Inside of your center console, plenty of space to store everything that you need. You have that removable piece plus another 12-volt DC charger in case you need to charge your iPad for work or any other media. You have that stunning leather trim on your dashboard, just part of the sleek quality that comes with Toyota. And of course, all the manuals you'll need to know everything there is to know about your Highlander. There's a light in there plus a lock to add to that functionality of everything built inside of your Highlander. Plenty of things going on, but why don't we hop on back and take a look at cargo. Here we are at the back cargo area of your Highlander. To activate that power lift gate, simply hold that button on your fob and it'll pop open for you here. A nice feature to have, especially if you have your hands full. Plenty of space to store everything that you need, even with your third row seating installed to fit up to 7 passengers. Underneath here, you do have your tool storage with your jack. In case anything does happen on the side of the road, you have additional storage on the side as well. You have your cargo lamp. But why don't we fold down your third row seating and take a look at all that cargo space. Tucking away that third row seating is easy. Simply push that headrest down, pull that tab there. Check out all that space that's opened up to store everything that you need. You also do have your handy 40-60 split folding seats in case you need to carry any larger items when you're furniture shopping. You get your tonneau cover with your Highlander, so you can see there's the guide right there, easily installs and provides just the right amount of privacy for your cargo. Reactivating that power lift gate, it'll warn you that it's coming down. On the rear exterior, you can see that you have your windshield wiper for when things start getting a little bit messy. Pressing that button there pops open that glass so that you can easily access all of your cargo. Dropping it down now, you can see that you have your backup camera standard to help you in and out of those tight spots. You also have that chrome skid plate for added style and protecting everything. Underneath, you'll find your spare tire storage as well as your exhaust. Again, we're seeing more chrome badging and detailing as we take one more look at the back of your Highlander.
Taking one final look at your 2018 Toyota Highlander Hybrid XLE. Built right into your Highlander is your Toyota Safety Sense features like your lane departure alert and your pre-collision system with pedestrian detection to have you riding in the ultimate safety and comfort. But don't just take my word for it. Come on in, take it for a test drive. We are at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.